Hello my dear listeners, Assalamu alaikum. I kindly request my all dear listeners, please like and subscribe my channel and bell like the button for more informative videos. So today we will discuss about the cell structure and function. This is the one of the most important chapter from which most MCQs comes in MDCAT. So first MCQs is about the smallest units that can carry out activity of life is called option number A organelle, option number B bacterium, option number C cell, option number D organisms. As we know that the smallest and basic structural and functional unit of life is cell, so option number C is correct here. According to Robert Hooke, the empty space bounded by thick walled is called option number A cytosol, option number B cell, option number C cytoplasm, option number D nucleus. So as we know that Robert Hooke in 1663 discovered that cell was empty space bounded by the thin membrane. So this is the idea about the cell. So option number B is correct here. Cell producing new cells for growth and development is called option number A chlorinchomatous, option number B meristematic, option number C parenchymatous, sclerenchymatous. So as we know that new cells for growth and development in plant is called meristematic cells. Sclerenchymatous are present in hard powder just like seed. The idea that living things arise spontaneously from non-living things is known as germ theory, cell theory, abiogenesis, biogenesis. So the correct answer is C, abiogenesis. This is the idea that living organisms arise from non-living things, just like fish is enclosed in vessels and it will change into the insects. One of the following reported the presence of nucleus in the cell. So the Robert Brown confirmed that in 1831 he confirmed that the nucleus were present in the cell that play a vital role in the activity of life. It is act as the brain of the cell. A cell consists of nucleus, cytoplasm, plasma. These are the three major parts of the cell that consist. So option number D, all of these are correct here. Cell theory come out as a result of independent working of Robert Brown and Robert Hooke, Robert Trender, Schwann and Sheldon, Lawrence Oken and Sheldon, Rudolf Virchow and Louis Pasteur. So cell theory is finalized come by the working of Trender, Schwann and Sheldon. So here option number B is correct. All living organisms are composed of cell, and cell product refers to option number A cell theory, option number B germs theory, option number C Koch postulate, option number D theory of cell. So all living organisms composed of cells were given in a cell theory. So option number A is correct here. One of the fundamental generalization in biology is cell theory, option number B germ theory of disease, option number C Koch postulate, option number D none of these. So option number A is correct here. Question number 10. The new cells arise by only division of previously existing living cells was proposed by D. Lamarck, Rudolf Virchow, Louis Pasteur, option number D Weismann. So new cells arise by only division of pre-existing cells. This concept was given by Rudolf Virchow. The ground substance of cytoplasm is called cytoskeleton, B cytosol, cell organelles, D all of these. So correct answer is D, all of these are the correct answers. I again kindly request my all dear listeners like and subscribe my channel and bell like the button for more informative videos. The concept that cell membrane is composed of lipid bilayer sandwich between the protein layer was option number A leaflet model, option number B unit membrane model, option number C fluid mosaic model, selectively permeable membrane. So Plasma membrane or plasma lamella. There are two models that were given by different scientists. First model about the sandwich model of plasma membrane that were that were put forward in a unit membrane model. So here option number B is correct. Fluid mosaic model says that proteins are randomly arranged in a lipid bilayers. There is a system of regulation, check and balance. So fluid mosaic model contain 60 to 80% protein and 20 to 40% lipids. The source of illumination in a typical laboratory microscope is, as we know that we will use visible light in our laboratory microscope. The active transport is due to option number A, thermal diffusion, option number B, concentration gradient, option number C, phagocyted, option number D, ATPase pump. So active transport is a process in which extra energy is required by cell to perform its function. So this is occur by ATP synthase. So option number D is correct here. Phagocytosis is a process in which the solid substance can be come in cell. The resolution of electron microscope ranges from. So this is the simplest MCQs that present in books. So option number A is correct. 2 to 4 angstrom. The process by which various components of cell including organelle can be isolated is called. This is a cell frictionation is the process in which the various components of cell including its organelle can be isolated, and this process comprises two sub parts, that is homogenization and centrifugation. So option number A is correct here. The various parts of cell separated by spinning distribute cell by a special medium in option number A, centrifugation, ultracentrifugation, option number C, pastel motor, option number D, all of these. So centrifugation at a high speed, we will give it rot organelles. It can be spin at a high speed and its material can be separated. So option number A is correct, centrifugation. The membrane that allows only selective substance to pass through it is called permeable membrane. B, selectively permeable, impermeable, tonoplast. So tonoplast is present in vacuole in plant cell. Impermeable means not pass. Selectively permeable means to pass the selective only molecules. This is the function of plasma membrane. Permeable means pass all molecules. That is the function of cell wall. So here this question of selective substance. So option number B is correct, selectively permeable. Question number 19. The taking in liquid material into the cell is known as. This is the simple process that is present in STP book. This is known as pinacocytosis. The cell membrane is composed of lipid bilayer sandwiched between the inner and outer layer of protein. The basic structure is called unit membrane, fluid mosaic model, leaflet model, option number D, Bohrstone model. So this is were given by unit membrane concept. The movement of material across selectively permeable membrane can take place by option number A, passive transport, option number B, active transport, option number C, osmosis, option number D, all of these. These are all processes that can be occurred through the cell membrane. So all of these are correct. Which of the following substance can cross selectively permeable membrane easily? So lipid soluble substance can cross the plasma membrane easily. So option number B is correct here. The outermost boundary in most of the plant is called cell membrane, option number B, tonoblast, option number C, cell wall, option number D, unit membrane. So the outermost boundary in plant cell is cell wall. Option number C is correct here. The cell wall is secreted by option number A, protoplasm, option number B, endoplasmic reticulum, option number C, Golgi complex, option number D, nucleus. So the cell were secreted by the protoplasm. Which of the following is describe a true wall? Middle lamella, primary wall, secondary wall, all of these. So primary wall is considered as a true membrane layer. The entire cell wall of prokaryote is often regarded as a single huge molecule known as cellulose, murine, nucleoprotein, lipoprotein. So entire cell wall of prokaryote is also known as murine, peptidoglycan or cellulose. So option number B is correct. The fungal cell wall is made up of chitin. So option number B is correct here. The ground substance of cytoplasm is option number A cytosol, option number B protoplasm, option number C nucleoplasm, option number D karyolymph. So nucleoplasm and karyolymph were present in the nucleus that contain highly protein substance in karyolymph, and option number B protoplasm, option number A cytosol. The ground substance of cytoplasm is called cytosol. In cytoplasm, small molecule and ions form true solution, colloidal solution, a gel, a sol. So a small molecule form a true solution. So option number A is correct here. Question